Flood watch in effect from 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Thursday morning. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio, including the following counties. In north central Ohio, Erie and Huron. In northwest Ohio, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. When? From 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Thursday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details. Heavy rainfall associated with multiple rounds of convection will impact the area, producing efficient rainfall with rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour possible. Given recent heavy rainfall, these rounds of heavy rainfall may result in additional flooding across the area. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.